how to post Instagram stories on desktop. So if you want to post your Instagram stories on your desktop, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you need to right click on the background and then go with inspect. Under inspect, make sure that you're on your mobile view. Under your mobile view, you need to go with the dimensions, which is on the top left. And under the dimension, you need to go with the drop down and select iPhone 12 Pro. After selecting 12 Pro, you need to go and restart your browser. After restarting, you'll have this kind of interface. So go with the story section, tap on your story, and select the image that you would like to add to your story. Go with open, allow while visiting the site. After that, go with add to your story, which is on the bottom, and it will upload to your story. So in this way, you will add your photo to your story. Your photo has been added. So you can go back, refresh your page once it's uploaded, and in this way you'll be able to add your stories on your Instagram desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.